Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to 3/2 sine t. Because if I put this one go in here, you got about 9/4 sine t square. Number 4 we cancel. Number 9 we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, you got about cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. We got about 3/2 cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here. Dx we change by this one. So this one we have 9/4 sine t square. Number 4 we cancel, and you got about number 9 in here. Number 9 we can do about factorization. So 1 minus sine t square, you got about cosine t square. The square root of 9 cosine t square, you got about 3 cosine t. Now we need to simplify 3 cosine t on numerator and denominator, and we have 1/2 dt. The integration of this one, we have t and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by 3/2, and you got about 2x/3 equals to sine t, and we got about t equal to r side of this one. So we put this one to change for t, and here is about the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.